And this lamp is actually going to be part of the makeover for, oops. Hi guys, today I'm giving you a shopping haul. Thanks for watching. I had a DIY I was going to show you today, but I am not done with it. It's a big one, so I can't wait to show you. But today we're going to do a shopping haul from HomeGoods, as you saw on the thumbnail. First thing I want to do though, I want to give a special shout out to Divine Inspirations by Martha. We did a small YouTuber support shout out the other day and I misspelled her name. I apologize for that. The whole purpose was so that you guys could see each other and reach out, but you can't do that if you don't have the correct spelling. So this is the correct way to spell her channel's name. Thank you for your support, Martha. Martha, we appreciate you. So guys, for anyone who's new, thank you for watching today. Feel free to subscribe. And I want to get into this haul. As you know, I'm going to be making over one of the bedrooms. And I went to HomeGoods because I want to put some items in that room. And look what I found. This is one of the vases that I found. It actually matches the decor in this room. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put this in this room or in the bedroom that I'm redoing. I'm looking for the price. Here it is. This price for this vase is $19. And I have a matching one. Let me show you the matching one. It's a little bit taller. And it's shaped. I like the shape of this one. It's so pretty. So here it is. This is the matching set from HomeGoods. So I like this texture. See if I can bring it a little closer so that you can see the texture in it. All right, and this one, the price for this one is, let's see if it's on the bottom. Oh, $24.99. So this one's $24.99. So I got these two here. Let me put them to the side. So they got a little brownish, looks bronze or golden color mixed in there. I got some of these plants for $9.99. Well, these florals. I thought they were cute because they're actually wooden. They look, let me bring it a little closer. Look at that, that's so pretty. So they look kind of like they're made out of a woodwork. And I can't wait to put them. Even the, well, the length is perfect on these. I'm sure I can put them in any of the vases that I have, either the tall ones or the short ones. So this bunch was $9.99, and I'm definitely going to put this somewhere. Now, one of the DIYs that I'm working on, not the one that I'm talking about that's so big that it's taken me so long to actually show you guys, but there's one I'm working on. It's a makeover or a revamp, and it's a lamp I had for probably 20 years and I needed a new lampshade. So HomeGoods, I couldn't find these anywhere, a big enough lampshade that cost reasonable. And I found this one for $16 at HomeGoods. When I went to Amazon, they were pretty much going for $40 just for a plain basic lampshade. And I just decided to keep looking. And this one is a 16-inch top, 18-inch bottom. 12 inches high, so can't wait to show you what it looks like when I actually put it on the lamp that I'll be redoing. So I'll show you a before and after of the lamp. And this lamp is actually going to be part of the makeover for, oops, my vase just fell over, but it's okay, it's not broke. And let's see, what else do I have? I don't think I have anything else in this bag, but I have this basket. This is a basket. I was thinking I can just like throw my extra throw pillows in here, like if I need a basket to put in one of the guest rooms, and you know how you have the bed all made pretty with the extra pillows. I don't want them to throw them on the floor, so I think I'll get a couple of baskets. And I saw this one at HomeGoods, and it kind of matches my decor, I think, pretty well. I'm going to try to pick up another one. Now, you know, this one is $14. So HomeGoods has a lot of reasonable items, and one of the reasons, as you know, if you've been following me, is that I'm really staging the home for sale. So new paint, new decor, anything that we can do to spruce it up, we're trying to do that. So yeah, I'll be storing little items in here, maybe pillows or something else. Speaking of pillows, this is a long pillow that'll be going across the bed. This one did not come from HomeGoods. I got this one from Kohl's, and I think it was originally, I don't have a price tag on here, but I usually, you know, I love Kohl's too. I'm pretty new at shopping at HomeGoods, but I get a lot of Kohl's cash, and when I get Kohl's cash, I spend it on things that I wouldn't buy with my own money. And this one, I think this pillow, if you look it up, this pillow is like $80. Yeah, a pillow, $80. I mean, it's nothing wrong if you just don't mind spending that much, of course, but I've never spent $80 on a pillow before. I just haven't. And I had my Kohl's cash, so I bought it with my Kohl's cash, and it was about 30% off. So I think I did spend a little bit of money on it. I think I spent like $10 on it, because I think the sale price was $60, and I had $50 worth of Kohl's cash, so I did end up spending about $10 on this pillow. But hey, I like the pillow, and I can't wait to show you how I use it in the bedroom that I'm going to be redoing. And I think that's it for this haul. So thank you so much for watching, and I will be having that DIY shortly. It's just taking me a little longer to get it. So if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. I love to have you, and we support people back, and we definitely watch your videos all the way through from beginning to end. And that's one of the things that's so important that you need to do if you're supporting someone. If you just click subscribe and do not watch their videos, you'll be surprised that when you come back, YouTube has unsubscribed you. So you do not want to do that for someone you truly plan on supporting. You want to watch their videos all the way through and subscribe if you're a YouTuber. If you're a DIYer at home and you're just looking to create or find ways to create things to make your house, spruce your house up, this is the perfect channel for you, especially if you like challenging DIYs, because I try to think outside the box and do something that's going to be unique or a little different. So you'll find that in this channel as well. If there's any point in time that you need to ask me some questions, I'll probably be doing more lives. I'll probably I'm talking fast, be doing more lives so that I can answer those questions and actually just socialize with you guys and see what kind of projects you want us to do, or just see how you're doing with the projects that you've started. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.